Hello everyone, welcome back to Dantech. It's in another edition where we talk about information literacy. In today's videos, we're going to be talking about what we call the information and the information sources. How are you getting your information? Is it from reading textbooks? Is it from TikTok? Is it from PSA? Are you getting the information from the people? Peer-to-peer information. So today we are going to be talking about something that is very helpful in our computer literacy. So first of all, we're going to talk about something what we call the information sources. Information sources, as we can see here, these are places where we simply get the data and the information that we need. So the places where you get the information, is it from your friend? Is it from the people that you trust on the social media? So the information sources are the places where we get our knowledge or the data. We use it in research, assignment, and decision making. It helps you understand the topics better. So we have two types of information sources. We have the primary sources and the secondary sources. So among these sources, the primary sources, these are first hand or original information. Let's say, for instance, you've been in an argument and you've been praising within by the time the argument has been happening. That is a primary source of information because it's not tampered with. For example, you can have the experiment interviews or surveys. The information in all this is a primary source. So it's original and not tampered with, and it's not interpreted in any way. Let me head up to the secondary sources. In secondary sources, these are interpreted or analyzed primary sources. So from the original, people get to interpret it in various ways that they can. So, for example, we can have textbooks, review articles, and maybe summaries. In the summaries, a person is breaking down the whole topic into some reasonable thing that they can handle. So we have other sources, we have the scholastically other popular sources. Scholastically are written by experts. For example, the academic journals. Yeah, we have the professors that have done the research and they have came up with a valid and correct examples. Let's say, for instance, that the human body, and they have came up with the various mechanisms of how the human body works. So this is peer-to-peer reviewed. By meaning peer-reviewed, but I can simply mean peer-reviewed is we have a series of editors. We have a number of people that are editing the work. We have a number of people that are going hand to hand to help you understand or to break it down further. Then you have the popular sources. The popular sources, these are general audience. These are supplies to general audience. Let's say, for instance, the TikTok. Any person that can come up with the news can come up with anything. So it's not peer reviewed. So it does not have a chain of people like editors to go through the editing process like that. We have the newspapers with their perceived by the old audience or the magazines. So we have an example published sources. An example of the published sources. We have the published sources like journals, books, conference papers, reports, and real literature. So how is uh having published source very important? This one will help you to have reasonable and credible data, reliable and credible data. Because just for instance, I tell you a story and you don't have something that has something to back it up. But with the published sources, you have something that back them up. They are there at the website. They have been interviewed by experts, so they're credible and reliable. So they can be used in the academic research. Since they are credible and reliable, they can be used because they contain facts and they provide different. They provide detailed and verified information. So they'll give you, for example, I told you the human body. Let's say for instance the BS, where that's a biological science, where they give you the mechanism of the operation of the human body. So it is very detailed and very verified because it has gone through different associations, different editors, different people that have verified the information that you're going to perceive as you, the person looking for that data. So I'll end there for now. But if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification button. Don't miss out on anything new. I remember Daniel Mugabe. Shalom.